Today I'm gonna teach you how to earn crypto for free on the ICP ecosystem. You don't have to pay anything, you just have to make an account, visit the websites I tell you, log in with the internet identity I tell you at first how to make, and then you can just basically earn. So the first website you have to go to is identity.ic0.app. What you're basically gonna see is something like this. You have to create new. It could be different, but if you're using the internet identity you already have, you're gonna see something like this. So I'm gonna click on mine. Gonna use my biometrics. So on this website, you're gonna see your internet identity. You're gonna scroll down and click to enable recovery phrase. It will give you a 24 word with your internet identity that you should take a screenshot of. You have to proceed to the next window that you have to provide the first, second, and the 24th word in that order. And after that, when you save it, that's basically your recovery phrase. So if you lost access to your passkeys, you could use your recovery phrases to hop back in and just add another passkey and remove the old ones if you lost them. So we're not gonna waste more time on these. We're gonna go to the websites that gonna pay us. The first website I want to introduce is oc.app. It's basically Telegram. I have made a few videos about it. You just click on launch app. Click on tap here to create or sign in. I'm gonna sign in because I have an account. You should click on sign in too because you got an internet identity. You're gonna click on show more options and you're gonna click on sign in with internet identity. Because I have already added my passkey, I'm not gonna go to internet identity. I'm just gonna use my passkey. It's the same account for me. So this is the interface. These are my added to favorite chats that I know they're gonna drop more crypto. What we do here is we just wait for prizes. This is a channel that people drop a lot here, so you can use it. I'm gonna just show a example. So this is Vortex. They need around 100 of each of these tokens. They're basically nothing, so you could just be online for a day and get all of these for free. It's nothing. And you would just claim. You should claim your cheats every day. It would be refreshed every day on 12 UTC, I think. 7 hours later, it's my 411th day on OpenChat. I got around 1 million cheats. Here's your wallet. You could swap or just send the tokens you get from prizes or from people. You got your direct chats here, you got your group chats here, you get your notifications here, and these are your communities, which you could search for more here or search for more groups here. OpenChat is perfect. I use it every day. I just search around for prizes. Sometimes the prices are really good, so I highly suggest it, which explains why I introduced it the first website before anything else, because it made me a lot of money. I'm gonna come back to OpenChat. Let me claim this really quick. We're gonna go to the next website, which is on the perfect order. If I want to say, it would be World Lottery. So the website would be worldlottery.fun. You got to sign in. So on here, I'm gonna click on sign in. Gonna use my internet identity. So from the name, it's obvious that it's a lottery, it's casino. Um, but what we are doing here is just doing daily check-ins. Around 2 days later, when I got around 32, I guess, of WL points, I can redeem it, and it would give me around 0.05 ICP, which I can't withdraw right now. I have to play it, and I usually like to play Lucky Nickel. And if I win, I can withdraw that ICP. Right now, my ICP that I think 11 cents is too low for me to start a game, but people here win or lose every day. It's a fun game. You're not paying anything. You're just claiming your check-ins in 10 days and play that. I started from nothing and I got around $10. So that's worldlottery.fun. Another example, which could be the second, but World Lottery was kind of requires less of your time, so I decided to put this website on the third. social.insaneclownprotocol.com. I'm gonna log in with my internet identity, but it didn't bring the whole thing. You could use NFID or other login methods too, but I always suggest you to use internet identity. So this is my social insane clown protocol panel. What we're doing here is we are claiming our tickets here every day. What you have to do is to verify your X here. So you need an X account, which most people have. I forgot the procedure to verify your X, but I don't think it's something like logging in with your account. You don't have to provide password or anything. I think it tweets something that is exclusive to your account here, and from that way it understands that you have an X account and you're using that. It's a very basic thing to do. It would be just right here above here, it says verify X. So when you verify your X, you can claim your clown tickets here every day, which you can use them to upgrade your printer, which is here. You can pay 25k of clown tickets, which if you're in a rush and want to upgrade your printer more to get 2 daily posts, because we can only submit 1 link every day, you can pay ICP, which it depends on you. If you are a premium X user and you tweet a lot, you can pay for these and upgrade your printer, but I'm trying to do this challenge without paying anything. So how we earn money from it? When you go to this tab, you're gonna see some deals. So you get around $13 on this. It's not accurate. It depends on your tweet. It depends on how your profile has reach on it. If you got less views, so you obviously get less crypto. I like to do the ones that are higher in the dollar, but this one is really good for tweeting. I just use this one, so I'm just gonna click on it to see how it goes. So the rules are you have to follow block miner fun, which I did. So this is here, I followed it. You have to contain this link, so I'm gonna copy it. It says that mention that block miner is the most Bitcoin spirited launchpad. So okay, I have done this, and this is my tweet. Just found out that block miner fund is the most Bitcoin spirited launchpad. ICP chain uses CKBDC, which blah blah blah, and I used the link which they told. I after the posting the tweet, so you have to follow the rules. They can be differ. I'm gonna go to, for example, dollar. It says you have to follow it, so it's the same. It should contain dollar. It should contain hashtag AI power cloud. And these ones I don't really understand, but I think it just tests or checks your tweet. I don't know. And you just basically do the tweet like I did, and you copy the link to the tweet, and you can go to home, to this part, and submit your link. I'm gonna submit it, but since I did submit my link, it allows you to do it once a day, unless you upgrade your printer, and you can do 2 a day. But if you want to do more, you have to pay in clown tickets, which you get from here every day. So I'm not gonna burn more clown tickets. I already submitted this tweet, and I can check it right here. It's at 0, but it's earning because I used my own way of talking in my tweet. It's gonna pay me more, obviously, because it has these on. But in these two, I used, obviously in this one, I used AI. It doesn't have this one and another one, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't have this one. So it's going to pay me less. But dollar paid me really good. With these two, I earned around $44, around 17 cents by only 2 tweets. Yeah, these are the two. So this is insane, clown. You just do a tweet every day. That's it. You earn. The next website I want to introduce is Mcslimes.xyz. So this is a game. You just log in with your internet identity. You can enter my referral code to get 50k bton, which the crypto this game uses. You're gonna use those btons to buy NFTs to feed your slime. It will get stronger. You can't withdraw those 50k because the game just gives it to you. But if you earn from the things that I tell you here, you can just withdraw them and sell them. It's loaded. I think it's done. I think it has to load again because I need to log in. Okay, we are in. So here's Map Technical, who made the MapTF token. He has another group in his OpenChat too, the opportunity community. So on the 10x rewards, he's gonna just send the link. So there's no example here for me to show you. He's gonna send a link. You're just gonna retweet the link, like it, and add a comment. You're gonna screenshot the thing and reply it in the thread of the posts he sends as a link, and he's gonna just basically tip you. So here's another way, just like clown mining. He was extremely kind to me to add my referral in his account, so I got a lot of bton, like I got millions, and I didn't dump on him, because if I did, so many other people could, because the bton prices are gonna dump when you sell, and people could just buy more bton and defeat him at being the first. So I didn't do that. I could earn around $300 $400 easy, maybe more, but I spend them all on NFTs. So I got around 84,000 here again. I could just pay them to get loot boxes, but I don't want. I want to hold them and sell them soon. I got ahead of myself. So in this game, what you're gonna do is you click on play here every day. It's gonna refresh every day. It's basically gonna add stats to your slime. It's either gonna add health, attack, or defense. You have to hold this explore button. It will go up to 10. This explore button will refresh in around 1 hour. So every hour you can just come back and hold it. You will get bton, or you will get an NFT to for your slime to chomp. You could bind your Discord account to your slime. You have to send the chat something that they will verify that this account is the same account that you're using in Discord. And on Discord, using /rare pool will give you an NFT to chomp, a legendary NFT. So you could make your slime stronger every day. I'm not gonna go into those. And another thing is getting the daily bton here, which will give you 10 bton, but after 5 days it would be 11, and after 5 days again it would be 12 and 13, and again more and more. You can poop on random, or you could just search the slime that you want, and you would poop on them. So I'm gonna just do more poops. Some people really didn't like unknown slime. So the next one, I could just search for my friends, but I want to poop on others. So I'm gonna return to home. Doing the poops is not necessary, but getting the daily top bitons and getting the play and doing explore is essential for you to get more bitons. There's another dungeon part which I'm not gonna go into. You could just read the tutorial. You can attack, and you can just claim a dungeon, and it will basically give you more biton, or just stake your bitons to get a legendary NFT. Forget about those. I don't want to explain them. I'm just doing here for the explorers and getting the dailies. That's it. Let me explain one more thing. You can add my referral here. You can click on it. You have to, there's a button here, you click to add referral, so you could use QQUMR for my referral, and it will give you 50k bton. Here you can buy loot boxes for your slime. I don't recommend you to buy the 40k bton box, because it would give you either attack, defense, or health. Mostly it will give you health, which if it gives you any of those, it would be it would be useless. because you're gonna need something that is in balance around all of this. You could see how much I was wrong. I just bought health. When you have 50k bton, you can go to silver, and just when you get 10 boxes, you could get 5% off too. So you can buy one of these. It will balance out your stats so much better. So make sure you do that. The next website I'm gonna tell you about is Oisy. You log in with your internet identity, obviously. So what Oisy does, Oisy is a wallet um, which supports basically most chains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Internet Computer, which it was made on it, Solana, Base, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, and Arbitrum. So you could send any of those to your wallet here, and if you got above $20, and you have to complete 2 transactions in 5 days, so you do transactions, 2 of them in 5 days, log in once in last 5 days, hold $20 which I told you, and no recent win in the last 5 days. So you would be eligible to earn Bitcoin, it's CKBTC, CKUSDC, or ICP, which in the last sprinkles I earned around $6. So by just sending $20 into this and doing a few transactions every 5 days and just check on it to see if I won or not, I got $6. I didn't win. I've used my referral, which is right here. I gave it to around 41 people, so they won, and I got a little of those sprinkles. You could just have you could just do the eligible thing. Um, you could just win once, and it would worth it. So the next website I'm going to, we are gonna use both for the swapping and for the farm, kinda the pools, is app.icpswap.com. This is the go-to exchange for ICP in the whole community. So you just click on connect wallet, you use internet identity, and you basically log in. And done. So the thing we like to do is we can just go to icptokens.net. So what I like to do is click on the 30-day twice and check for the NNS coins that have been losing money. So Motocom might be a good token to buy. If you want to know about SNS coins, you could go to dashboard.internetcomputer.org. There's DAOs. You could click on all SNS DAOs, and you can get to know the SNS coins, except for Fuel EV, State DAO. There was one more that was basically a scam. Boom DAO. Where is it? It should be on top. Yeah. These are the projects you don't want to go around. I suggest you, but the others are good. Like this idea is really good. Elna is good and it's down. It's good for buying right now. Dragons is a good project. Goldau is a perfect project. Fomovel, I actually hold it right now for doing these swaps I'm telling you about. Icy Explorer, basically all of them are good. ICP is perfect. Icy Panda had a perfect jump after the DeepSeek hype. It was actually the first autonomous agent, DAO kind of. I think it was on blockchain. So these projects are just great. We're gonna focus on these and see which one of these has been losing money the most. So we're gonna swap money to them, like swap ICP actually. So something like Kong, I can swap 10 ICP to it and wait for it to jump back. So that's what we basically do. Something like NFID, it's a good choice, I think. It has been down a lot. So you can kind of bet your money for around here. So that's, you could jump from here. So imagine that you're just saving money on OpenChat, World Lottery, Clown Mining, Mcslimes, and after a few months, when you got around $10, $20, $30, you buy something like this, and it would kind of 10x your money, and from there, you've done just the perfect thing you could do. You've just earned $300, $400, which you could use for other projects here, like the SNS coins here, that you could do the same thing. They would always jump back to the same levels that they were. So it's no brainer. The next thing in ICP swap is earning from staking pool v2. When you're adding a pool on any platform, you have to have that token and the token they're swapping to. So if you're adding pool for example Bitcoin and USDT, you have to provide both Bitcoin and USDT. It's the same thing on ICP swap 2, but on staking pool v2, which they will show you the live ones here, you can just add one token and you can earn. Like I have added 1,336 NOK, which is around 10 cents, and it gave me around 5 NOKs in last 2 days. So I'm just gonna harvest, and I'm gonna do a refresh. And I'm gonna click on max and add it to the stake. So it's gonna keep giving me more NOKs every day. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 2 ways in ICP swap to earn money. So you could just start today. Make sure to please use the links in the description which I provided. Don't just go to the website as I told you, like worldlottery.fun or oc.app. Use my referrals for me to have something. Thank you so much. Bye bye.